breaking news coming in. Forces recovered belongings of terrorists in Kathua encounter. Magazines of M4 rifle, ammunition, clothing and other items that have been recovered. The recovery that was made from the forests of Hiranagar. Those are the pictures of the recoveries that have been made. And what the forces have seized as a part of the post operations, where forces have recovered belongings of these terrorists. Those are the pictures on your screens. Magazines of M4 rifle, ammunition, clothing and other items recovered. And even as this is being inspected, I cut across to Gursimran, getting us further details of the recoveries, but also talks of the equipment that these terrorists are using.
Arms and ammunition has been recovered by the Jammu and Kashmir police along with the Indian Army in a joint operation that was being conducted in the woods of Hiranagar. Today afternoon, the recovery has been made that includes 3 magazines of the US-made M4 rifle along with 4 explosives that were packed and taped. Primarily what it seems that this was a drone-dropped consignment, these 4 packets that have been recovered. The forces have also recovered the shoes of the terrorist and also the rucksack bag that they were carrying along with them. Some medicines have been recovered and other clothing and eatables have been recovered from the upper these forested areas of the Hiranagar. Now this recovery comes at a time when the security forces were assuming that the terrorists might have escaped from this very area. But now with the recovery of this consignment of the weapons, this ammunition and also this drone dropped consignment, what it seems for the security forces that they are very close to the breakthrough, that is to trace out these Pakistani terrorists of Jaish-e-Mohammed that are active in the area. Reason being that these terrorists have not escaped because from the food items that have been recovered to the ammunition, it seems that this consignment was not dropped yesterday here, but a couple of hours back, and the security forces have been able to trace them out. Now the intensified operations are underway. The DGP of the Jammu and Kashmir Police, Nalin Prabhat, is himself camping on the ground, and right now we are told that the senior officials have moved to the place where the recovery has been made. But this is a major breakthrough in the ongoing anti-terror operation. Reason being that there is a credible input that the top commander of Jaish was also being sent to the Indian side by the Pakistan, but got intercepted after the group of terrorists, they tried to held a man captive and also attempted to take hostage his wife. But when she made hue and cry, they got afraid and they ran from here so that they do not get intercepted. But the alertness of the Jammu and Kashmir police made it very sure that the terrorists are trapped. There is an initial exchange of fire and then it was dark, but now the security forces are hopeful that after recovery of this consignment of weapons, there will be the location of the terrorists that they will be getting very soon.
Right, Gursimran, many thanks for getting us those details.